When considering home improvements, many homeowners overlook the windows, focusing on kitchens, bathrooms, or even landscaping. However, windows play a pivotal role in the appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home. Replacing old, inefficient windows can dramatically improve the overall look of your home while also enhancing its energy efficiency, security, and value. Here's why upgrading your windows can be one of the most impactful home investments you make. Enhance your home's curb appeal. Old windows with cracked frames, foggy glass, or outdated styles can diminish your home's exterior appeal. Replacing them with modern, stylish windows instantly gives your home a facelift. Today's windows come in various frame materials, colors, and styles, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architectural design and personal taste. For instance, sleek black framed windows are increasingly popular in modern homes, while wood or wood-look finishes add warmth to traditional or farmhouse-style homes. Beyond aesthetics, new windows also make your home look well-maintained, which is particularly advantageous if you plan to sell your home in the near future. First impressions matter, and potential buyers are more likely to be drawn to a home with beautiful, updated windows, knowing it's one less area that will need maintenance or replacement. Boost energy efficiency and save on utility bills. One of the most compelling reasons to replace old windows is the boost in energy efficiency. Many homes, particularly older ones, have single-pane or inefficient windows that allow heat to escape in the winter and seep in during the summer. This temperature exchange forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. New windows, especially those with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, significantly reduce energy loss. Low-E, low emissivity coatings are microscopically thin, transparent layers that reflect infrared energy, keeping heat inside during the winter and blocking it during the summer. Argon or krypton gas fills between the panes, add an extra layer of insulation, further minimizing heat transfer. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, replacing single-pane windows with Energy Star-rated windows can save you between $101 to $583 annually on energy bills. Over time, these savings can offset the cost of new windows, making it a smart, long-term investment for your wallet and the environment. Improve indoor comfort and reduce noise pollution. Temperature consistency and noise reduction are essential for a comfortable indoor environment. Inefficient windows can make rooms feel drafty in winter and overly warm in summer, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without constantly adjusting the thermostat. New, energy-efficient windows maintain a more stable indoor climate, making every room feel cozy and comfortable year-round. They also reduce outside noise, an often overlooked benefit. If you live near a busy street, airport, or other noisy area, double or triple pane windows with soundproofing features can make a noticeable difference. This sound barrier creates a more peaceful and enjoyable living space, letting you enjoy your home without the constant disruption of outside noise. Enhance security and safety. Many older windows lack the advanced security features built into modern windows. New windows often come with robust locks, impact-resistant glass, and reinforced frames, which can act as a deterrent to potential intruders. Some windows even offer shatter-resistant glass, which can withstand high-impact blows and make break-ins more difficult. Moreover, new windows can improve safety within the home. Older windows often have painted shut frames or malfunctioning sashes, making them hard to open in an emergency. With updated windows, you'll have ease of operation, ensuring that every room has a quick exit point if needed. Increase property value. Investing in new windows can increase the overall value of your home. Prospective buyers view new windows as a significant bonus, particularly because they won't need to replace them for years. According to some estimates, window replacements offer an ROI, return on investment, of around 70–80%, meaning you could recoup most of the installation cost upon selling your home. Enjoy low maintenance and durability. Modern windows are designed with longevity and ease of maintenance in mind. Advanced materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood resist weathering, warping, and cracking, reducing the need for constant upkeep. Newer windows also often feature tilt and sashes or easy clean glass coatings, allowing you to clean them from inside your home. Replacing your windows is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's a transformative improvement that impacts your home's look, efficiency, comfort, and value. Whether you're looking to save on energy costs, improve your home's curb appeal, or simply enjoy a quieter and more comfortable space, new windows offer benefits that reach far beyond what you might expect. Investing in modern, energy-efficient windows is a wise decision that enhances your living experience and increases your home's worth, making it a home improvement project you won't regret.